When he walks towards the door and touches the doorknob, he felt an electric shock. Why? Electric shock happens because of electrostatic charges. All objects, including the doorknob, has electrostatic charges. Electrostatic charges include the negative charges, which are also known as electrons, and the positive charges, which are known as protons. Before explaining about the electric shock, let's learn about the basic of electrostatic charges first. An object can be neutral, negatively charged, or positively charged. Let's see an example. This object has 5 negative charges and 5 positive charges. 5 negative charges are negative 5. 5 positive charges are positive 5. Negative 5 plus positive 5, we can get 0. So the object is neutral. Now, the object loses 2 negative charges. It has 3 negative charges and 5 positive charges. Negative 3 plus positive 5, we can get positive 2. So the object is positively charged. The object gains 2 negative charges. It has now 7 negative charges and 5 positive charges. Can you tell me what is the overall charge of the object? Let's do a quick math. Negative 7 plus positive 5, we can get negative 2. So the object is negatively charged. There is electrostatic force between the charges. If we put the negative charge and positive charge near to each other, what will happen? The charges will attract each other. This force is known as forces of attraction. But when two charges are close to each other, a force causes the charges to move away or repel from each other. This force is known as forces of repulsion. So, just remember, opposite charges attract each other, while same charges repel each other. Now, let me answer you why there is an electric shock. When you touch the doorknob, negative charges on your hand will move to the doorknob. The movement of negative charges causes the electric shock. You can do an experiment about electrostatic charges at home also. You can prepare a comb and rub the comb with a cloth. Then, place the comb near to pieces of paper. The pieces of paper will be attracted to the comb. The reason behind this is very easy. When you rub the comb with a cloth, negative charges will move to the comb. The comb is negatively charged. Opposite charges attract each other. So, the positive charges on the paper and negative charges on the comb will have forces of attraction between them. So, the paper will be attracted towards the comb.